Only 1% of English learners can pass level 40 of this fluency test. Today, you are going to find out which level you are. Beginner, intermediate, advanced, or part of that 1%. Hey everyone, this is Nauran and welcome back to a new session of English with me. So how long have you been learning English for? Maybe 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, or 2 years. You might have been watching a lot of English learning videos and listening to English podcasts. You must have read a lot of English books and even wrote a lot of English journals. Now, it's time to find out what your English level is. This is an English level test. And this doesn't contain any MCQs, like you don't get any options or any fill in the blanks. Here, you have to answer in one sentence. This test is entirely about speaking. And here is another twist. You only get 5 seconds to answer each question. No thinking, no translating. You speak fast. If you are serious about improving your English speaking, stay until the end. I know level 35 to 40 is a little bit brutal, but it is very useful. Ready? Let's begin. Let's just briefly see how it works. Each level has one speaking task. And don't forget to answer out loud. When you think, you might feel like you know all the answers, but when you say it out loud, you will start making mistakes. So to understand your exact level, you need to speak out loud. If you can answer quickly, naturally, and without grammar mistakes, you pass. Keep your score, comment at the end. Let's start with level 1. Level 1, easy question. Introduce yourself in one sentence. Go. Level 2. What did you eat today? Level 3. Describe your room using 3 details. Level 4. Talk about one hobby you enjoy. Level 5. Use this word in a sentence. Because. Level 6. Spell this quickly. Beautiful. Beautiful. Level 7. Use the past tense of go in a natural sentence. Level 8. Make a sentence with I have never. I have never. Level 9. Describe today's weather without using the word hot. Level 10. Say one goal you have for this year. It's almost the end of this year, so don't forget to comment it down. What do you want to do in the last 20 to 25 days of December? If you passed level 10, you are at least A2 to B1. Now it gets harder. Level 11 to 20, intermediate fluency. Level 11. Give directions to your house from a supermarket. Level 12. Describe a person without saying their name. Level 13. Use this phrase correctly. As soon as. As soon as. Level 14. Talk about a mistake you made recently. Level 15. Explain your job in one clear sentence. Level 16. Make a sentence using one of these phrasal verbs. You have options. Figure out, run out, pick up. Choose any one and make a sentence. Level 17. You got 10 seconds to answer this question. Describe a movie plot in 10 seconds. Level 18. Use this word naturally. However. However. Level 19. Explain something you learned this week. Level 20. Speak for 5 seconds without using the words I, me, my. If you are still here, your fluency is rising. But levels 21 to 30 will expose your grammar. Levels 21 to 30, Advanced Fluency. Level 21. Make a complex sentence with the word although. Level 22. Describe your dream life in the future using at least one future form. I'll repeat that again. Describe your dream life in the future using at least one future form. Level 23. Make a natural comparison using the more, the more. Level 24. Correct this sentence and say it out loud. He don't know nothing. He don't know nothing. Level 25. You got 7 seconds to answer this question. Explain a simple process like how to make tea using sequencing words. First, then, after that. Level 26. You can speak about anything, but speak for 7 seconds without using any filler words. Don't use like, etc. Level 27. Use a C1 vocabulary word in a sentence. I have options for you. Consequently, significant, inevitable. You can choose any one of this word and make a sentence. Level 28. Describe a memory from childhood using the past continuous plus past simple. Level 29. Persuade me to try your favorite food. Level 30. Explain something complicated in simple English. Now you are entering the top 5%. Levels 31 to 35, native like fluency. Levels 36 to 40, allied speakers. Let's find out where your level is. Level 31. You have got 10 seconds for this. Give a 10-second opinion on a controversial topic without offending anyone. Level 32. Paraphrase this sentence. Many people believe that technology is making life easier. Level 33. Describe a situation using idioms. You should use at least 2. Level 34. You have got 10 seconds. Tell a mini story with a twist ending. Level 35. Explain an emotion you can't name. Level 36. Give advice using advanced modal verbs. Should have, could have, or might have. Level 37. Answer this without hesitation. What's the biggest lesson you learned in the last 5 years? Level 38. You have got 10 seconds. Now your task here is to choose a topic that is very boring. Did you choose one? Now speak non-stop for 10 seconds about this boring topic, but make it sound interesting. Level 39. Fix and improve this sentence. I want to success in life for make proud my family. Level 40. The final test. You have 15 seconds. Tell the best story you can. Emotional, spontaneous, and clear. No mistake, no pauses. This is the top 1% level. Your timer starts now. That was intense. Take a deep breath and relax. You just completed one of the hardest English fluency tests on YouTube. Whether you reached level 5, 10, 20, 30 or 40, you did something most people never even try. Fluency doesn't come from memorizing grammar. It comes from moments like this. When you speak, you challenge yourself, you grow. Every level you pass today means you are officially closer to the fluent version of you. And now I want you to do something very powerful. Comment below, I am joining the 2026 Fluency Mission. We are about to start a new year. Let's plan to achieve something really big this year. Don't forget to comment down. I am joining the 2026 Fluency Mission. This is our community. This is the place you will get better every day. If you felt even a little improvement today, imagine what we can do together in the following weeks. So don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video was helpful for all of you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.